Namaskar, everybody. Today we are going to discuss something about the difference between fundamental rights and human rights. So, I would like to tell you there is a world of difference between fundamental rights and human rights. Generally, it's considered that there is no difference between fundamental rights and human rights, but it's not so, my dear friends. There is a world of difference between human rights and fundamental rights. I would like to clarify this. With respect to this, the similarities appear between the fundamental rights and human rights. But there is a difference between fundamental rights and human rights, which is as I would like to tell you. All human rights are not fundamental rights, but all fundamental rights can be considered as human rights. Once again, I repeat it. All human rights are not fundamental rights, but all fundamental rights can be considered as human rights. Human rights are having the widest or vast nature in comparison to the fundamental rights. Human rights are universal, but the fundamental rights may not be universal. But the fundamental rights and human rights both are under the reasonable restrictions, provided that both the same cannot be taken away by any act of legislature. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe it, like it, share it. Thank you so much.